Hey guys, I'm in Chicago right now, and I figured I'd try McDonald's new chicken sandwiches. I got the spicy and the regular. I didn't plan on doing a review, but I figured why not? Well, I have 12 hours to kill at the airport. I did no pickles. This one's a crispy one. They gave me pickles though. No one listens. It's good, but I can taste the pickle juice. It's like Chick-fil-A, but not as good. The spicy one. No pickles on this one. It's kind of weird. Not much flavor whatsoever. It's like, yeah, it's pretty boring actually. I recommend Chick-fil-A or Mary Brown's or Popeyes. Thanks guys.